have a couple pieces of trim that need replaced, but luckily we have those pieces in the back. That we got to replace both side mirrors. We also have those in the spare parts bin. Up front here, this grill needs to just be better secured. Intercooler and both our radiator are kind of loose. Looks like we're missing a mount up here for the radiator. Intercooler, I don't think it has any mount fabricated for it yet. So yeah, it's just kind of sitting in there. Interior here, the center dash needs to be put back together. Now this will give me a chance to set up my own gauge pods. We do have the plastics back here to replace this. So I have all the main pieces I need. I just will have to put some new covers in. Radio's been pulled out in this car, and there is no air conditioning in this sucker.